Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing another handbag with you all. Welcome back if you're already a subscriber, and welcome if you're new to my channel. My name is Carla, and on this channel I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. Okay, so first I love to start with a word of the day. The word of the day for today is peace. And I'm going to share this quote with you, which says, "Peace begins with a smile." So just go out there, put your smile on. If you're at home, then smile all around your house. Okay, so let's jump into this unboxing. I find that during quarantine, all I did was buy. I don't know if it was out of boredom. I don't know if it was just that most of the things that I wanted happened to be available. I don't know what it is. All I know is I was doing a lot of shopping. So let's unbox this right here. I've been asked to do a video on, ways that, or things that I do to kind of be able to afford the items that I have. I do have a job, so I do have to pretty much budget. And I think even if you have a job, own a business, whatever the case may be, I think budgeting your money is essential. I think that is definitely where it starts for me. I'm just gonna take this off. So this is how it came wrapped. This is the piece I'm gonna be showing you. So yeah, I think it just starts with budgeting and knowing that, you have to pay your bills, which I know sounds so basic, sounds so I don't want to say cliche, but you have to start off with making sure that your essentials are paid for, meaning your home, your electric, your gas, your car, if you have a car payment, your car insurance, your phone, which those are essentials. So I would say, write those things down, write down what it is that you're spending, or what your bills are, as well as writing down what it is that you're spending, and then proceed from there. I probably will do an entire video so that I'm not taking away from this unboxing, but this is the little outer covering that it came with. This is the handle. Let's see how I'm going to take it off. It has like a taped piece right here. Okay, so I got it off. I'm just gonna lift this off right here, and on the back here, right on the back of this little piece that it came with, it does say, all right, to open, close, look at one. So this bag, let's just start with the fact that this bag, this Palm Angels bag, comes with this lock piece right here. So I think this is what this is saying. You guys are gonna have to do this with me. I've never actually purchased a Palm Angels bag before. The reason why I purchased this is because I've seen a couple people with these, and I love how fun they look. They're such a fun piece. Actually, so fun that I decided to pick up another one before even seeing this one. So I picked up another one, so stay tuned for another unboxing. I'll be unboxing that one as well. But I just love how fun these are. You can make, let's say you wear a dress, you can make it like an edgier look by adding this. I think it's just the fact that the shape of it is kind of playful, and then it has this cool little handle. I'm not sure if you can tell, but see how it's like plastic, and then it has like a rod, kind of like a spiral rod in the inside. I think it's really fun. But yes, right on here gives you the combination code. So to lock combination, to open, look at one. So it says to open, look at one, and I'm assuming they mean this little one right here, which is on here. And then it tells me to turn it this better work. I was never good at opening locks. Like I struggled a bit in high school when we had lockers. So let's see. Pull the button, lift, pull the button. Here we go. This is where I have a little bit of a problem, because if this is what I'm gonna have to go through to open a bag, then I don't know if this bag is for. That was actually very easy. So it actually opened right up once I put in the combination that does come on this little piece right here. So if you do decide to pick this up, do not throw this away, because your information that you need is right in the back. So in the inside, this is what it looks like. It's just one spot, no pockets, because this is kind of like plastic, if you could hear that. And then it comes with this strap right here, which definitely adds to that edgy vibe that I was talking about. So this would just, let's close this back up, and the straps would go right like this, right on this spot right here. And that's this bag, guys. This is actually really, really nice. I love how on the strap right here it does say Palm Angels, and I would probably wear this like a top handle bag. However, as you see here, which I think I would just use the strap kind of to add a little bit of fun to it while using it top handle. I'm sure you could use it like as a shoulder bag and things like that. I don't think I'll use it as a shoulder bag, because I feel like this little top handle piece right here would kind of be uncomfortable. I'm not sure, I need to wear it more. But yes, guys, this is my new piece, which, like I said, I feel like I've picked up so many items. I have a new one, which is a fun piece. I love the color. It's such a fun color, so I'll unbox that one with you guys. Who knows, maybe during that unboxing, because you already know what this looks like and you'll probably be watching it for the color, I'll do a little bit, or I'll talk a little bit about budgeting in a sense.